from government to opposition. Near life and quiet and chair, but coming to opposition, and in Senate, no expectation. They said the party will come to opposition, but Abasa, in your candid opinion, meaning so what's nature kakra ashe, what caused the loss?
2016, it will increase from 122 to 169. It was a record at that time. Buying your idea power 2017, 2018, 2019. You could do 2020 COVID. March and the year lockdown. The first year, bro, for now lockdown him. Now lockdown him. Satam Krani to me a parliamentary primary so. What do you mean, yeah? How do we even campaign?
Yeah.
And Danado Danko Akufo-Addo. The management of COVID, you know, is one of the best in the world. What COVID by, you know, now confirm him at the crow. Even advanced countries, they were struggling. Look at how Trump managed COVID.
Yeah.
Excellent management of COVID. And notice that the New Patriotic Party was the only party in the world. The year 2020, I buy a tool throughout the world, you know, NPP better to be winning here. But because the parliamentary way they so you know, you need answer. If you just say, yeah, but when conditions are your kobu, make I ever launch a manifesto. Now say a annual delegates conference and so. How can you bring 6,000 people in the midst of COVID? Abra also social distance, those marks, deben to mitigate the effects of COVID. No say ways and means. Even parliamentary primary school, they say thought, electoral areas. People easily forgot. Because we have 179, the only person now me ya bonsam ya John Boadu.
Una mane basa.
Me John Boadu na mane basa. But sebi di jawa na da swaw. Iti anwo hia posa me kirekirem. You don't do that.
Accept the consequences.
Okay. Sir, me file report I received in 2021. Me file report na me kirekirem a. Ngalesha me ko menya 80%.
But I don't know why because
been to me yes sir. The party no ashamensa. Yamba authority and I have the confidentiality of the party. Things come to me not because my whole faintira, but because of position I edema to nintino. Na me nyasa privilege information no. Me son same party no. It is a nyama eba me so personally. I don't give up and give the party up.
But at the end of it all, no, it went against you.
Today, I went against me today.
Today.
That is what leadership is about.
Okay.
Okay, say train. Eddie really, UK. One say transport minister very resign immediately on the Kokan train.
There we.
On church you just resign and leave. I know just on the year. But that is what leadership is about.
All right.
Do show we ma causes for our loss. ABF presidency, ABF government, ABF MMDCs, ABF ministers, ABF who are Bema. We have incumbency advantage and incumbency disadvantage. Now the incumbency advantage is by Waji. Who my contract? Who appointed DCs? Who appointed ministers? One may be more ambassadors. Oh, kwa police di weni pay. Uji weni uda buy car mu free. Ebi ji petrol free. Now you say oh yes no incumbency disadvantage ho. Yeah. Ubeye taxes nkofo bi wefu.
Yeah.
Contractors untumi nti omo nyina aka. School fee dia oh ye obedi nkofo ka. you don't throw your hands up in despair.
Okay.
And this year, you do can John Mama the Kodu no. But it said John Mama. Contractors, all my contract no more into John Mama into ya. And I said, look at an intra contract. I said, look at cannot come and complain. So go to Bahama for 20. Oh, go to the for that day.
I see.
A quaben ye be for swa. I dear na yen to me, Anya no. Ye be church, you watch omo my sa to me no. No matter omo but more my to me no the better say more ko yes we are we sika we corruption say obasa to abama obio ye tikra na ye na 2 million for no beto
mutina ye
ni ready or your party member assuming it is true assuming it is true say between the year 2020 and 2024 so by 2 million about 2.7. That is Omar too. Even in addition to additional voter register, you can Omar too. In terms of 2, you go better Omar.
Also, obi omo person better Omar position to now.
Do better Omar say. First of all, I also identify Omar. Anyway, now do Omar say. Say Omar better Omar cry no. Oman to ama opposition.
Okay.
Na nyema e course no bia ncheche bu no na amaye mo omante omo ho ase.
Okay.
Ana nyema bi nso ayenso ye ya. Uye polling station executive. Wako parliamentary primaries, wako delegates conference, wako yakoto aba. Na o edawano ewo radio station. We bring me 2,000, we bring me 5,000. We bring me 1,000. I then uncle to about me train when find 2,000 and bam me 5,000 now when you now me know that if ye obey ya the fridge ya so I did you what's in your TV what's that in the open so when you 5,000 now uko promoting 8,000 ne do what's up by me ho say you gonna go to aba. Yes, man, come power so much. The fellow of leadership.
A fellow of leader, and a man for both.
Because I was saying to me, church him. The mark of a good leader or politician is your ability to even explain when you are not able to achieve your promises.
Okay.
Because you saw better that sabi 2020 your manifesto no you have a ye levy and shemo ya ka se ba e be ye levy a circumstance in tea. And if I tell you what occasioned ye levy now, so you as the party you must understand why it happens so. In the year 2020 year budget we wanted to introduce petroleum levy.
Okay.
If your percentage that they to petroleum levy in so any sika e benye film da gofo be didi atem kwa yenye sika pepe bia mfim. It is part of the measure said that na for year ye beto petrol so na one mass transit fanko for free just to mitigate the effect of increase in transport fares no near so near toll booths no ye fi ho nante drivers e car omo because the petroleum levy ne be kan ho a. But we needed money to prosecute the many agenda and infrastructure you put to up.
So I don't know. Question with the abolition. I say taking away of the toll booth. No, I'm not for be. I must say man transfer critical analysis. Bia, can have look at the different.
Baby, I am mistaken in this. You decide say. Se petroleum levy na dey be ka ho no the noise e dey be ba no does not commensurate with the revenue e be jawo.
Okay.
Nti ye petroleum levy nti.
Okay.
And as part of measures to mitigate the effects of say ye be to petrol mo nti no ye yi toll booth na fi ho. enti gayen yito yan fa petrol levy ni amba no enisan ge yito boot no. That's the point.
Until the petrol levy went with the toll booth.
With the toll booth.
Until no amadi anka also toll booth. Anyway,
this was a mistake.
Okay.
You understand? Until who said no, say introduce levy ya. Even just 1%. Crab 2 times the petroleum levy. Even 1%. And we know in this tax be any ho be ni ho. Tax be any ho we are introduction of tax is one of the most difficult things for any government.
Yeah.
And we are also witnesses to introduce VAT. Any they see here. Later, I buy no call back or bet church mu ye ni nema no. You introduce first and 12.5 I said and best 17.5.
Yeah.
In society. And what you who say a bomb introduce wa. This is they introduce doctors no. Ah, ye de buy NDC for say have o kasakra na ye juice ka. O ye say. Ye buy e betwem. O buy doctors o mutumi yi. Because it's one of the easiest way to raise revenue for the development of the country.
Okay.
It was a difficult decision for us. Say about 2 petroleum products now prices nina koso. Na yan kasa kakra ye be yi ewe ho. Ya mom dear. But less burdensome. It's in here. Until want to mean church we wa. Dem bi on abetumi aye.
I see. So the explanation did not go down well.
What do you mean, church? You know the initial problems we encountered. That the financial transactions later we have to reorganize all those things because Uji incumbency advantages no party your opposition no now your financing no and do to say the bar power. I instituted a situation now every month your sovereignty, your constituency party, your regional party, your communicators, the national party. Now just our way disadvantage kakra ma no de usu. Nti ano de obeka se president and de utu for say won yi na wan yi. Aseme na o kan. Because causes for loss no a presidential, a ministerial. MMDC is the relationship on the ground. And sometimes your confidence guys you are arrogant.
Okay.
Later me general secretary say hey, first now you are arrogant. Because you see the kind of work you must put up a poster which with the implementing decisions of the party.
Yeah.
You call national council. You take a decision. Decision every crime in position and me crime they call no menji decision into so you are taking decision majority your friend a general secretary over outside media na me jitu media na me pese na it is never done anywhere even see crowd to say Guinness Ghana Limited that board of directors are co-meeting yeah take a decision oh na mu nyina mo discuss here majority they take a decision assume say na put there will say on preso today. Who never issue statements? You are the spokesperson for the company. You are the spokesperson. You speak to it as if say upon a decision. That is what it is done.
Okay.
Apart from government side, you know, your party related issues until you lose elections now.
Okay.
Yes. Party related issues. Oh, some general may refer to their course. Oh, okay. Relationship between even executives.
Okay.
And I the nearby constituency, ya chebo bia and san kebi. You know, and that kwao. Me run a party. Share parliament. Yeah, 2024 no. Out of 137 no. Yeah, dear, to me the call, best 40 something. NDC the best 120 the call. They protected most of their MPs. One problem say by baby MPs to me candidates to me sorry baby almost sitting members of parliament. We new baby jane.
Who be that?
Debbie Ojani, and this is what you say, kind of head. But be a certain member of parliament. He stood his grounds.
Okay.
So 169, in 2016, they can do 10. Sani a running party. Sani a running party.
I see.
There must be deliberate attempts to make sure, say, you keep seizing parliamentarians. Obit is a chairman sabons. As far back as 2008, in 4% of the contest, hey, ain't possible. Because any development is pay out depending to me. Because unfortunately for chairman sabons, as an example, time I was Bemu 2008, MP said Ben in India, we a Rose minister, we a way minister, we a minister. It's over the development to copper on constituencies, both soft and physical development. No spending the time our parliament. Ebwa loss, ebwa way. Such a person, if that party doesn't come to his aid, ebedu baby, obejai at the papa no ye de bois parliament, you know. Abani constituency, HG ministries, akope ejuma, the abani constituency, man call for adono. That is a responsibility. There was this MPFN, Lawyer Boafo in this country. Soccer drafting of constitutional legislation and our legislative instruments.
Okay.
Ubia ni hot no. Owadaji. Man a bill CC as on cotton in young hojuma. What the man ewia. And no pa a juma de bebro, but so take you 1 month no the year.
I see.
Such a person ought to mean a constituency. Enya daji nko ministers enko Ghc5 be Ghc5 ma delegates o. It is a responsibility of the party to take care of such a person. To be called constituency ko catch am say masa ejuma mo MP ni ye wa ha no. Yes sremo. Even party ni kwa na o say pesika ko mo a e o say party ni ye. O jiri say wa ha zambo twe say o contest wo krea. Yes ye biemu. Ye na ye democratic party throughout the world. Obi anko contest no. Any contest na be contest na me ya o. But in some mo ko contest a mo be kika afa no. No obi ono de na brabo nyina from his youthful days. A risky. And then a name I have for now will be out to be a party, you know. First, now come on now, baby, what to tell. Then come on, so no for. Me say, things used to be very difficult for you to associate yourself to the New Patriotic Party. I bet you General Secretary Winnie. Back once a Winnie Bion. No, so person or parliamentar. No more be. I be contesting like a cancer. I found no. No, you can't sound fun who we are. Oh, some Lambochi. So I say not. Yes, say, or yes, say, yes, say. I saw open, Nancy, open say, who you did what time, man, for a picture and bet was a overall contest constituency chairman. Boom, some I back found. You understand? Oh, yeah. Ni image I nimuno, modia perform. Me anka sami constituency, I say central. The year 2020, me nuya. Onu ko ya me wofa. No person be contest Canada Japan. Enye Canada Japan no na sebi me pen assemble so. But to show the role that Canada Japan will play in the whole of the country. Na memma me nuya akọ contest no. No akeka nsem because obviously oye nipa nema bebre o ha otube nya o constituency o na omo keka sansem ni wia o wia obeda nko other constituencies akoboa we disqualified him
no matter say you nua
debi
wofa
me se bia nkasa me wofa me boy am in the office oye finance director oko contest wo baby abna o say asare wo yi Etiwa ho baby. The finance minister came to me and said, Rabbi, ono na eboa me ba me ye adwuma wa ha. The role I will play no. Say protest kohana obeje adwuma no ko at the end of the day no the government na perform a party na perform ye be man finance director the condition to masa o person finance director unto in contest seat umpa jai na ko contest seat oje finance director no nya de obetu contest wow kwekwe free party western north to call western north onu na main figure you win his seat neither. He was national officer in 1998. He win in 2000, 2004. The hospital, he one of the biggest cocoa farmers in this country. The hotel, first time he win in 2016 with honor. Not 2020. Hey, Masa, because the influence, and yes, you are so quite. BBA ni akontombra we you protect no contest and no winning here afia say obia nko contest o say me ngo bio there ayen so there obia ehun me gidi is a standard I set no me twen na NDC for na ati ayi 11 efio so on the okay. Because me could share BB 10,000 me de 100 count. Omo if you are 100, you know.
Bit me at the
I the for.
Okay.
You understand? But omo who chire be chire ono.
Ah, na so munya sha say na omo.
Oh there me chire. Because you see, enye omo pe no omo, yes you ho be chire.
Okay.
Because omo de different
tax ebeba.
Honda Ghana for be who say e na da na omo de bae.
Anyway.
Na kwaya no ya MP wo wa ho baby. Now your minister for Bibisa or call Joy for Bisa and say inquire employment in your name. Also employment in the other saying, oh yeah, Rashid Purple.
And also one cancer. Also one cancer.
Moon video no be idea. Say omo concept of employment they say inquire nam kwa ho no mo sisa mboba emboaboa no. No betumi ato ana grass omo twitwa grass no mo boa. This is the party the people of this country. It's like Donald Trump there or yeah America. Unu say before ni nyama nyina bebere kotoba no ana meboa and o se mu nyina mu be fi o tena o to aba o go say abato e wo consequences o ba o be to yen wa ha say e ho no disabilities e wo privileges I dem who employment income a certain level who advantages almost health way so papa nkwara ko school feeding ho ye twa ni nyina mu na ba school feeding na be who say
difference
next time when your opportunity because on go bi on you know na e betina next time your opportunity say obeto aba
what to ni
badwen ho
anyway
badwen ho ankasa nti me nua penyimfo se achia menjin is ebu all right menjin is ebu kra because we went under these conditions from 1971 your tradition eco opposition your war till say 1992 cry you lifted the ban on politics around April May ho baby answer yet me at the party register ye de to aba ye in 1988 na de be to aba the year 1992 ye call first o mu wie mu nti ya nko parliamentary 96 ye giga ya ye sesa constitution no eto parliamentary ni presidential in the same day no ye nya 63 out of 200 parliament. The following 4 years we won the elections. Yes sir, we need beyond 2024. Now 2028 2008 ye bo opposition it at that time obi agin say NPP eno ano no yentumi yashe 2012 we nearly won the elections. John Mama won based on sympathy at that time. Sata Mills we just 6 months to elections. Kojuma I was then deputy director of communication for the party. Ejuma pa after Atamis wu ye yentumi campaign bi o. We dey go nipa no wu. NDC boys to say
Atamis na boka. Ono so na ekoi.
NDC boys to say Atamis akọ heaven. Na nipa aye nyina be say akọ heaven. Na nipa di kan ho. We dey go ka say.